Hey, it's Mark Nolan back with you here in the DEI garage, and we've got this pre-cut hood insulation kit here. This is so cool for all your restoration guys. Custom cut kits made from our black underhood material. It controls the engine heat and the noise. It's often a problem with restored and modified vehicles. It's packed with high performance components. So kits are the perfect replacement for your worn out, dirty old hood liner. We've seen them with the bad clips and the whole thing. It protects your hood and paint from engine heat and chemicals, and each kit is custom CNC cut for a perfect fit per vehicle model. It makes for a super easy peel and stick installation with an aggressive adhesive backing. It's black textured finish, cooler hood surfaces, protects your paint. It's available for a huge variety of classics, from 66 Chevelles to 74 Novas and Pontiac GTOs as well. The rest of your classic car looks great. Finish it off with a new custom cut underhood insulation kit. Pre-cut hood insulation kits. Take a look. You can get them at designengineering.com.